Picture this, you log into the platform, just a couple of clicks, and your very first trade is already open. No complications, everything is simple and accessible. Today, I'm going to walk you through the basics on Pocket Option, how to register, set up your chart, choose indicators, and open a trade. These are the foundation steps. Without them, you simply can't move forward. But here's the exciting part. Inside my Telegram channel, I go live every single day showing real trades, sharing signals and results with a community that's already over 90k traders strong. Just imagine how many beginners have already learned to trade alongside me. So watch carefully because at the end of this video, I will tell you how to join this team. Let's dive in. Number 1, registration. Let's start right from the homepage of the platform. To open a trading account, you need to go to the registration section. It's all standard here. Enter your email, create a password, select your account currency. Sometimes you can enter a promo code, which gives you a nice little bonus on your balance. Once you've filled everything out, just agree to the terms and confirm the account. Usually, the system immediately asks you to do a quick email activation. The whole process takes just a couple of minutes, and that's basically your very first step into real trading. Number 2, profile and ID. Now let's check out your personal profile. This is where all the key account info shows up. Your email, username, and verification level. The most important detail here is your unique ID. Every trader has one, and it's basically like your account number. You might need it if you ever contact support or connect extra services. In this section, you can also strengthen your security, for example, by turning on two-factor authentication. All of this helps keep your account safe and makes sure your data and funds are fully protected. Number 3, indicators. Next up, indicators. These are some of the most powerful tools for market analysis. In the indicators menu, you will find a whole list of popular options, from simple moving averages to more advanced ones like MACD or RSI. Each indicator can be fully customized, change colors, parameters, how it's displayed. The platform also lets you use several indicators at the same time, which is perfect if you trade with combined strategies. And to save time, you can add your favorites to quick access. So they're literally just 2 clicks away. That's a big time saver when you are in live trading. Number 4, chart settings. Now let's break down the chart itself. You can fully change its appearance. By default, it's often set to line view, but most traders prefer candlesticks because they show much more detail about price movement. You can also select different time frames like 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, and so on. It all depends on your trading style. Some prefer fast scalping trades on small intervals, others analyze longer movements. Switching between them is quick and simple, so you can always pick the setup that works best for you. This flexibility is a huge plus. 5. Choosing an asset and opening a trade. The next step, choosing your asset. On the platform, you will find plenty of options: currency pairs, crypto, stocks, sometimes even commodities. Pick the one that feels most natural for you. Then set the trade duration. Some people prefer very short trades like 1 or 2 minutes. Others go for longer, 15 or 30 minutes. It all depends on your strategy. Once you've chosen your settings, opening a trade is literally 1 click. While the trade is running, you can also manage your position. For example, increase the size if you see the market confirming your forecast. This flexibility helps you adapt in real time and make the most of opportunities. Trade history. Number 6. After a trade closes, it's time to check the result inside the history tab. Every single operation is recorded here: which asset you picked, the trade duration, your entry time, and the outcome. This isn't just an archive, it's a powerful analysis tool. But regularly reviewing your history, you will spot your strengths and weaknesses. For example, you will see which trades consistently work out and where you tend to make mistakes. This makes it easier to adjust your strategy and become a more disciplined trader. Number 7, deposits and transaction history. Finally, let's take a look at the balance section. Here you can deposit funds, withdraw money, and check the history of all your transactions. There are filters available too. Sort by date, by type, whatever you need. Transparency is everything in trading. You can instantly see how much you have put in, how much you've withdrawn, and the overall movement of your capital. So, having this level of control not only gives you peace of mind, but also helps you build proper financial management. Especially if you're working with bigger amounts, this section becomes a key part of your process. So now you know how the Pocket Option platform works, from registration to your very first trade and even reviewing your history. But remember, this is only the first step. If you truly want to learn how to trade, see how I enter the market myself, and get daily signals, join my Telegram channel. We've already got over 90k members with live streams, real results, and tons of student feedback. I left the link under this video. Go check it out and become part of the community. And of course, right here on YouTube, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming strategies and breakdowns that actually work. See you very soon in the next videos and live streams.